What's the meaning of chiffon? Chiffon. Chiffon.
Chiffon. Chiffon. Chiffon is a light, sheer fabric that is often used in women's clothing. It is made from silk, cotton, or synthetic fibers. Chiffon has a slightly rough texture and a slight sheen. Because it is sheer, it is often layered over other fabrics to create a more opaque effect. Chiffon is also known for its floaty, graceful movement, making it a popular choice for dresses and skirts. It can be dyed in a variety of colors and patterns, and is often used in formal wear for its elegant, ethereal quality.